I'm gonna try to assemble this DIY wind-up toy kit. You can see the brand here, Fuman. And then there's 6 different of the Ultraman monsters you could get. The Alien Baltan. Pull this open. On the side. Can't read those, so what I try to do is twist these and the camera through here. There we go. Pretty much as good as I can get that, and I guess it kind of would be better for it to be like that. It doesn't look exactly right, but I can get some of this plastic off. It is at an angle, so that makes sense. It's difficult to get in there. It's gonna be it. Fit matches to the hole. Nice, this looks right. We'll do a little test run here. Okay, and then we got this screw. So this is gonna be difficult as well because I believe the screw would go in here. That went in. I guess it just sort of holds it there. It's not very secure or sturdy, but let's give it a shot. All right, there it is. So it did come with some kind of what I think is probably adhesive. I don't know if it's adhesive. I'm assuming it's adhesive, but I'm not even gonna try to open that. This thing's from the early 90s. That stuff's probably no good. So I didn't mention, I did pick this up at the Maryland Toy Expo. And the guy who had this had all the other monsters. This was sealed for $15. Pretty happy with this. Thanks for watching.